Quando Rondo is an American rapper, singer, and songwriter. Full name Taekwon Terrell Bowman. His stage name is a play on his nickname Quando. He was born and raised in Savannah, Georgia. He has a daughter named Italy with his girlfriend Jay. As a teenager, he spent some time in juvenile detention centers and was most recently released in October 2017. He showed early interest in music as a child. He was naturally gifted at creating music and was very good at singing. He then began to focus on honing his skills so that he could pursue music as a career and lead a respectable life. On September 24, 2018, Quando Rondo released his second mixtape, Life After Fame. The album featured guest verses from Young Boy Never Broke Again, Rich Homie Quan, and Bossy Badass. His song Motivation was featured on the popular YouTube channel World Star Hip Hop. He has also released many other songs including First Day Out on SoundCloud. He was ultimately successful in entering the digital rap scene where he began to earn recognition for his songs. In January 2018, he released the song I Remember featuring American rapper Lil Baby. On April 17, 2018, he released his first mixtape Life Before Fame. In June 2018, Quando Rondo released the single Kitchen Shit. Later that month, it was announced that he was the first signee to Young Boy Never Broke Again's Atlantic Records imprint, Never Broke Again LLC.